Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn about how to edit the dimension. So in this case I will just go here in annotation panel and I will click on this drop down, and from here I will go here. Okay, this is the dimension style. I will click over here to activate this one, dimension style manager, or simply I can just use D to activate this one. And then I want to just modify this one. Simply I will click over here to modify, and from here I can just modify the dimension style. First I will go here in line, so these are representing as these dimension lines, okay, the lines between these two arrows. Okay, so from here I can just change the color. Right now I need white color for these dimensions. Okay, I will select from here. I can choose line type and line weight from here as well. Then I will simply go here in extension line. Okay, these are called extension line. For example, I will just uncheck this one, and the lines start from this object to these arrows is called as extension line. So I need this extension line, so I will simply uncheck this option. Now I want to just change the color of these extension line as yellow from here, and then I will go here in symbol and arrows, and from here I just want arrowhead as this architectural tick. Okay, now I can just change the arrow size from here as well. Right now it is okay for me. Then I will just go here in text option, and from here I can just change the text style as well. Okay, from here, and I will click simply on this button to change the text style. So we will look about these advanced option in next tutorials. Now the text color from here, right now I need yellow color, for example. Then if you will just select this as a fill color, you can just change the fill color as well. Right now it is none, so I will select this one. Now you can see this is fill color. Here this is the preview for this style, so I do not need this fill color, so I will click over here. Now I can just change the text height from here as well, and text placement as well. So right now vertical text is centered, so we can just place it above outside. So I need a centered, so I will click over here. Now the next I will go here in primary units, and from here I can choose the unit format as well. Okay, right now it is decimal. We can just choose engineering and architectural as well from here. So I want to select as architectural, and you can see it is converted into inch and fits. Okay, so let me just choose it decimal as, and then precision as. Right now it is two decimal places, and we can just choose 3 4 5. Okay, so it is right now 2. Okay, and I will select same. Now from here I will just go here in angular dimension, and I can choose unit format for angle as well from here: degree, minutes, seconds, gradient, radians. Okay, so right now it is selected as decimal, so it is okay for me. Now then we can just choose precision as well from here. So right now it is selected as 0, so I need 0, and I will just click over here. And then after making all of the modification, I will just press OK from here, and then I will go into set current, and then I will close this one. Now you can see here the dimension style is going to change. It is edit right now. Okay, these are extension lines, these are dimension lines, these are called as arrowheads. Okay, and we have made modification here. Now let me just make a dimension here, and I just want to find out the inner and the outer dia of this figure. So in this case I will just simply go here, and I want to just create a dimension here. Okay, and I will go here, I will just select first point. This is the inner dia, so then second. Okay, I will click over here, and then I will right click, and here is one more option, that is M text. So we can just make modification in this text as well. I will click over here, and right now I want to mention here a dia and inner dia as well. Okay, so I will just write here percentage C for dia. Okay, so it will be converted into dia symbol. Then I will just press this right arrow, and I will just write it here inner. Okay, or internal dia. Then I will simply click over here. Okay, now I will put it somewhere here. Now you can see it is going to edit. These text are also going to edit. Now let me just escape this one, and this is the method that you can just edit the dimension. Hope you understand this session. We'll see you in the next.